Hey there, Basement Mitzi here. And today I want to talk a little bit about the Praana portable light and power bank, which includes a 7-watt solar panel and stand and this handy little battery pack. So, let me read off some of the details on this. The ultra bright LED light illuminate your surroundings with 3 versatile light modes, equivalent 5-watt, 30-watt, and 60-watt bulbs. So, as soon as I figure out how to turn this thing on. There we go. Boom. There's our watts. Accessible mobile charging through this output. You can hook up the small USB-C connector to it and plug your phone in or a radio in. And you can go through, this is perfect for adventures and emergency companion, designed to be lightweight and portable yet rugged enough for outdoor adventures. Provides reliable backup lighting and mobile charging during power outages or off-grid adventures. Complete package, everything you need, one kit, LED light, power bank unit, stand, 7-watt solar panel, USB A and C cable, USB-C to USB A adapter, that's this little guy here. And 3 hanging hooks, that's those guys there. Crafted with advanced components and safety features. So, this is the model V10P1. Its capacity is 5,000 milliamp hours. Output is 15 watt max. Input type C is 5 volt 1 amp. Output type C is 5 volt 1 amp. So, what I was going to talk about with this is it doesn't work great in indirect sunlight, but in direct sunlight and some indirect sunlight, usually this little red light would come on, which I think was shown when I first powered this thing up. So I don't see it now, but I will say I've had this for probably maybe a month and a half, and so far I think it works pretty well to keep my little ham radio charged up via USB, because that's what I've been using it for. So all in all, I think I would rate this 5 stars because it does work, and it works pretty well for the price. I think it was a whopping $35-40, and that's all I've got. So stay safe out there, y'all.